Look at that little great blue heron. Right in the middle of the frame there, that bird. That's the smallest one I've ever seen. Must be a year old or a chick or something like that. I never seen one that small. Oh, we got something. I've seen them stick their beak in the froth and swirl it around. Just the tip of their beak, hoping a minnow comes up. And when the minnow comes up and touches the beak, he grabs the minnow. Nice birds. I was wrong. It's not a great blue northern heron. It's a senior's moment on my part. What it is a black crested night heron. That's what it is, a black crested night heron. I've seen quite a few of them over there. And the herons too, the big blue northern herons. This new COVID coming out. Back at his favorite fishing spot. But a bunch of surveyors have just showed up. Surveying the dam here. I don't think the black crested night heron will be there too long. This is what this creek's got to contend with all the time down here. Look at that brown stuff coming out of the storm sewer from the city. I mean, the water's clear above it and below all the way down to the lake, 'cause I was just down there with the carp fishermen. It's all brown. You can't see no more than 6 or 7 inches. And it's all coming out of that storm sewer. They gotta stop that kind of shit. Somebody's got a whole class over at the Bluffs. Well, there they are. Right in the middle of your screen. That's about a half a mile off those bluffs. It's nice up there. Big pines up there that kingfishers nest in too.